Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I am simply going to teach you how you can move your Steam games to another drive without re-downloading. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you're gonna do is simply go ahead and open your Steam, and finally once you have done that, we have a new feature that we can simply move the games from. So simply on the top right, click on Steam and then go to settings. Finally, once you have done that, you want to simply go ahead and click on this option which says downloads, and now you want to click on Steam library folders right over here. And finally, once you have done that, as you can see, it will show you your drive and basically where your game is installed. So for me, it is installed on D. And if I want to go ahead and move it to C, all I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm gonna simply go ahead and click on this plus icon by selecting C. And what it will do is that it will help me go ahead and create a new folder, so I can simply move my games from D to C, right? So all I'm going to do is just select a folder or create a new folder that says Steam library. And finally, once I've done that, I'm gonna go to the drive where I want to transfer the game from, and all I'm going to do is click on this check mark right here, and now I'm gonna click on move. And once I've done that, as you can see, it will let me go ahead and move this game from this folder to that folder by simply clicking on move. And it is as simple as that. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below and let me know any other queries you might have. And if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.